Welcome to our APS EdTech Escape the Attic digital escape room. I'm going to walk you through the story and then show you how you can complete this escape room within our Google site. First, let's begin with the story. In a cozy attic, you and your friends are looking for winter holiday decorations. As you explore, you find a mysterious wooden box with glowing winter symbols. Curiosity gets the best of you, and as you open it, a snowfall begins to fall in the room, and the fireplace magically ignites. Inside the box, you see 6 enchanting snow globes, but as the room chills and the snow falls harder, you notice the attic door has vanished, and the snow globes have now scattered throughout the attic. To escape, you realize you must unlock the magic within each snow globe, discovering the traditions of different winter holidays. The box reveals 6 slots that are now labeled with the name of a winter holiday: Diwali, Christmas, Hanukkah, Lunar New Year, and Las Posadas. Your task is clear. Uncover the secret clue of each snow globe and return them to the box, and you will be able to escape this wintry attic. In this image, you're going to have to find those 6 snow globes to return them to this wooden box. Now, you don't actually return them to the box. That is going to be solving the clues on this Google form here on the bottom. So I'm going to open one of these activities by clicking on the snow globe. A new tab is going to open and you're going to make a copy of this activity so that way it'll be interactive in your own Google Drive. Each snow globe activity is created the exact same. A written description of the holiday, which you can listen to in audio, and there's a video version as well. Once you learn some information about this particular holiday, the last slide is a clue that you need to solve in order to escape the attic. If you need a hint, there's one built into the last slide. You're going to use the answer to this clue back here on this site. You're going to scroll down, and each of the different snow globes has a lock here on this Google form. If you type in the answer incorrectly, it's going to tell you that it's incorrect in that it turns red with an exclamation point. If you get the word correct, then it's going to turn green. You can't go on to the next section until you've answered all of these clues correctly. If you manage to answer all of these clues correctly, you'll be able to go on to the next section and submit this Google form to be entered into a contest for the top winners of the escape room. Now, depending on your teacher or your class, you can participate in this escape room in a few different ways. You can work on it independently, which means you can work on it alone and by yourself. You can work on it in partners, or you can work on it in a team of 5 to 6 people and have each person solve one of the clues. However, when you choose to submit the Google form, make sure you put the information of everyone who participated together on the escape room. These resources and activities are available for anybody, but please be aware that the competition is for APS students only. I hope you do choose to work together to solve all of these different clues, that you learn a little bit about maybe some new holidays you hadn't learned about before, and most of all, that this is a whole bunch of holiday fun.